It's the middle of the night, so I'm in my office. Hello everybody, Wild Bill for America here. And I've been doing a little more digging on this internet giveaway that Obama is planning to ram down our throats before the November election. Now this is one of the most sinister things Obama has done, and that is quite an accomplishment. President Jihad has a plan to cripple the First Amendment right to free speech. September 30th is the day Obama is set to hand control of the internet over to the United Nations, the most corrupt pack of political totalitarians in the world. This will give the United Nations the authority to shut down any internet communications that they deem inappropriate. For instance, honest discussion of Islam. Now, according to Islam, it is a death penalty offense to say or write anything critical of Islam, and the UN has 57 Islamic states that vote as a bloc. America's radical Muslim president is taking an axe to our right to disagree with hardcore left-wing politics. Now, how is this going to work? Well, here's a likely scenario. Anyone who writes a sentence on the internet using terrorism and Islam in the same sentence, or homosexuality and marriage, or illegal immigrant, could be automatically flagged and their access to the internet blocked by a bot. They will then have to apply for a review so a committee can look at their online communications. If the left-wing radicals decide that hate speech is present, they simply deactivate the account because it doesn't meet their community guidelines. Now, I have already run afoul of the liberal left's community guidelines. I recently did a video exposing Hillary Clinton's Muslim Brotherhood ties via Huma Abedin. That video was blocked from receiving any ad revenue. That video is now being reviewed by the committee. Anytime I do a video in support of Israel, it is blocked from receiving any ad revenue. And believe it or not, videos I've done praising Sarah Palin have been blocked. If Obama is successful in handing the internet over to the dictators of the UN, they will consider criticism of Islam a hate crime and will be able to flip a switch, shutting down internet access of the offending computer. Never forget that one of the keys to being a successful dictator is silencing all political dissent. That is exactly what the new hate speech laws are all about. Ever hear the terms Islamophobia, homophobia, xenophobia? Those are left-wing political labels that they slap on anyone who opposes their extremist political agendas. And if the left get their way, we the people will soon be convicted of those things and effectively silenced. Evicted from the internet by order of the United Nations, the new guardians of the World Wide Web. Barack Obama, the most evil man to ever occupy the White House, is handing the enemies of freedom a weapon capable of killing free speech in America. Wake up, America. If you don't burn up your congressman's fax machine, phone lines, and emails now, you may never be able to again. You know that old saying, speak now or forever hold your peace? This is Wild Bill for America. Thank you for watching, and America bless God again.